just me, myself, and I. The day is beautiful. I don't know why the people doesn't like to come in here. It's beautiful. So I'm all alone in the beach at the moment. And I'm loving it. The sunlight is very good. Vitamin D mga beshies. Vitamin D. So relaxing in here while having my tea. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan mga beshies? It's Tuesday today. Ang ganda ng dagat mga beshi. Oh, pakita ko sa inyo. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda ng dagat. It's a very beautiful day today and I'm all alone in the beach. Mahinahon ang tubig. At ang ganda ng sinag ng araw mga beshies. Good morning! Good morning!